What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're shooting the 3D range out here in Springdale, Arkansas, and we're up here at the first station, so let's get started. Alright, on this station looks like we got a pig and a deer. Not sure how far away they are, so let's see. Alright, first up's the pig. We got 21 yards. Looked all right. All right, next up, looks like we got the deer at 37 yards. Let's see if we can hit this one. Maybe a little back, but not too bad. Let's go check them out. Not too bad there, just a little bit back, but that would probably kill. All right, and our pig shot was really in there, just right above the 10 ring. So those are pretty good. All right, station 2, we got 2 targets here. We got an armadillo and an elk. First one's the armadillo at 30 yards. This one is tiny. I think I hit that pretty good, actually. All right, now we got the elk, 65 yards. My sight tape only goes to 60, so this will be interesting. Hit something, but it didn't feel great. Let's go check them out. All right, so we're just a hair low left. I'm honestly not too mad about that, considering my sight tape doesn't go that far. Let's go check out this armadillo. The armadillo got absolutely smoked. That's almost a 10 ring. I will take that all day. My goodness, y'all, it is so hot out here in Arkansas. I'm sweating. It's like 7 a.m. It's gotta be 85 degrees. But anyways, station 3, we got 1 coyote target. That looks good to shoot here, so smoke it. Okay, we got the coyote at 22 yards. That one felt money. Well, it's not a 10 ring, but I think that'd be a dead coyote right there. So I will take that. Let's go on to the next. All right, next station, we got a beaver and we got a bear. So let's shoot this beaver first. Got 29 yards. Maybe a little right, but not bad. Shoot this bear next. Got the bear at 35. Smoke this one. Ah, that was high. All right, a little high on the bear. Not the end of the world though. Go check this beaver out. Smoked the beaver pretty good, maybe like an inch or 2, right? All right, this part of the range is probably my favorite part. They have this perch area and it's pretty high up. We're probably like 20 feet up right now, and you can shoot down at these targets. So first one we got here is the skunk. It's really close. It's probably like 12 yards or so. Let's smoke these 3 from up top. All right, 13 yards on the skunk. I thought that was gonna hit higher than it did. All right, next we got a quartering away coyote. at 20 yards. That one felt okay. All right, now we got like some sort of goat or something. I don't even know what that is. Definitely don't have those in Arkansas. But he is at 40 yards. Oh, my release didn't go off. God, every once in a while it'll do that where it doesn't go off. Let's try again. Hopefully I can find that arrow. Felt a little better. Kind of shaky, but let's go check him out. All right, let's check him out here. All right, well, the skunk, kind of a fail. Just glad I didn't lose an arrow on that one. It was like straight down. Now let's check this coyote. Quartering away, that is a perfect coyote shot. I have no clue where I hit this billy goat. Oh, I smoked it. Heck yeah. I did lose an arrow, so let's see if we can find it. Yeah, right here. Let's go. All right, so not terrible from the tower. Here's the tower from this way. I would say not too bad from the tower. Definitely could have been better though. I think it's 100% harder to shoot when you're up in a tree, or even if you're just elevated like that. Aiming down really makes you want to death grip the bow. But anyways, I think we got like 1 or 2 stations left. All right, next up we got this little turkey at 17 yards. There's also like a massive mosquito target down there I'm gonna shoot. But first, turkey is 17. Felt pretty good. All right, next up's this mosquito. Mosquito at 33 yards. That thing is tiny down there. I hit foam, so I'm happy with that, honestly. I don't think I hit the 10 ring or anything, but let's go see. A little low left. I'm honestly not mad about that. Let's check our turkey friend out here. I think I absolutely smoked this turkey. Yeah, I'll take that on the turkey. All right, y'all, went on our last station here. I'm gonna shoot this turkey and this coyote. All right, first up, I'm gonna shoot this turkey at 27 yards. Felt perfect. I think that arrow flew kind of funky, but hit where it was supposed to hit. All right, last target of the day. We got this coyote at 36 yards. It was no good. That's low left. I'll shoot one more. Can't end on that. Can't end on that. I just shot right through the center of the target. Dang it. Oh, I hope I can find that. All right, well, I guess you can kind of be mad about that. I don't really know. Hopefully we can find that last arrow. But anyways, if you guys are out here in the area, this is a great place to come and practice. This is like real world practice. You know, you got weird distances and different angles on everything. Even if you have a 3D range near you, definitely go practice on it. It's much better than just shooting at a little circle all the time. That's all I got for you at the 3D range today. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.